Alright guys, so welcome to Algorithmic Trading Bot Development for MT4. So we'll be using MQL4 Programming, right? So MQL4 meaning Meta Code Language 4, right? Is a programming language that is used in creating trading bots for MT4, which is MetaTrader 4, right? So I will be your instructor. My name is Gani Ibrahim, aka DAC. I am a freelancer. So I develop trading bots for people, different strategy, and I develop trading bots, I develop indicators and so on. So I'll be your instructor. And in this course, we are going to start with Forex basics. So you do not need prior knowledge of Forex, right? So I'll quickly introduce you to Forex. Also, you do not need programming background to take this course. I'll be taking you the programming basics for MQL4. Then we dive into implementing some of the Forex basics and programming basics we've learned so far. And that is because this course is a practical course, strictly practical. Before we move into indicator development, then finally EA development, and finally we work with class project because we need to work on real life projects, and that is what we'll be doing. For the Forex basics, I'll be introducing you to genesis of trading. Then I'll be taking you on introduction to MT4 terminal, which is the MetaTrader 4 terminal used by traders, right? The type of orders, the trading terminologies. Then we move into programming basics, where I will start with variables and data types, operators, decision making, loops, functions, array. Then we move into indicator development, where we are going to talk about technical indicators, right? Then we use inbuilt technical indicators like the moving average, the RSI, and so on. We develop our own technical indicators. Then we are going to be using our own technical indicators, and others created by people, just to see how it works. Then we move into the class project, which is the fun part. I will introduce you to the trading function, then error handling and debugging, development of break-even function and trading functions. We are going to develop pyramiding function. In case where you do not know what pyramiding is, we are going to be talking about that in the lectures. So then we move into expert advisor development. Here we are going to be dealing with development of EA using moving average, another one using stochastic, then another one using parabolic SAR, right? Then we are going to backtest and optimize some of our EAs so that you can see how to backtest and how to optimize. Right here, we now dive into real life projects, starting with development of trend following EA. Then we move into martingale strategy, EA. Then we move into edging strategy, meaning recovery zone to be precise. Then we move into grid trading, right? So a grid system. Then we move into development of a trailing manager. Here we are going to be trailing using the parabolic SAR, using the moving average, using the candle, using the fractals, and so on. Then we move into development of martingale EA that trails. Even if you're an experienced trader, you most likely have not seen this type of EA before. Then we have a simple dashboard, right? We'll be creating a simple dashboard. Of course, that will be after learning the advanced concept like the drawing of trend line, drawing of horizontal line, vertical line on charts, then how to create buttons and panel. Then we are going to deal with event handling for the button, clicks, and key events. Finally, we'll be dealing with project 7, which is building dashboards, right? So that is all I'll be covering for this course. So grab your coffee. I'll see you in the lectures.